each and every one of y'all for over 25 years of love and support. We know you got love for us, and we got love for you. But if you love yourself, somebody put an L in the air. And let me see it go side to side. Put an L in the air, go side to side. If you love yourself, say I love myself.
This is a story about the good.
Put them up.
We're waiting for the worst and the best.
Put the L up. Put the L up. Somebody sing. Everything's gonna be alright. Sing. Everything's gonna be alright. Sing. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
Look, some get a little and some get good. Look at the bad one and some even though that's good. I was one who never had it, always said, never know my dad. Mother, whoop the wall. Anyway, I can't pick up. Lifting clipped up, they made singers. Cause only had to trigger hit. So I couldn't get a job. That he ever not allowed. My mother couldn't afford us, so she had to throw me out. I was the shit, when there's a plan on the hit. They got a quick at the easy money for the shit. I know I'm praying, I wasn't paid. I know I kept them up cause I couldn't afford a haircut. I got bills, I got chips. I got a set, I got a second. But then I still have any deal to take it. I'm doing broke, so I lied, I got it with a kid. Boy, good, and I'm a bad luck, I would have known. What did I have to live in life was just a bad one? When I was a kid, I'm playing the
everything's gonna be alright. Sing. Everything's gonna be alright. Sing. Everything's gonna. Hey, everything's gonna be alright. Project. That's all right, sir.
Do I have to be like this?
Mama said I'm priceless.
Do I have my words? This is all in the chest for me and I ain't scared. This is the way I could afford a little bit. Because of the hell I went in and did a lot. My hands down for the black hand chest.
One sauce on the car to the black trap. Drop down.
And you want me to rap it? Yeah. They know they bother them.
We're trying to tell me where I live.
I didn't fight around the corner from West Town.
2 blocks from South Town and 1 to the jail cell.
And only one just white on me.
Hey yo, where the party at? Where the party at?
Hell no, I think it's gotta be a better way. But hey, never how will I do it? How will I make it?
I want that town. Yeah, y'all. Somebody